Hello guys, welcome to Lavish Tales. Today I am going to tell another interesting story. And the title of the story is Farmer and the Bard. Here there lived a farmer and he has a farm outskirts of his village. So after sowing, some birds came to his field and they started living there. So days are passed by. After some days, the bird laid two eggs. So two little children came out of those eggs and they started living there. Their family lived there loyally and they have a great fun there. So after some days, harvesting time is came. So every farmer in that area started harvesting their farms. Like this, it's turn to this farmer to harvest his field. It's time to harvest his field. So he went to his friend, it means neighboring field friend. So he asked to help him. So he asked to harvest his field. So he accepted. So this thing spreaded all there. It means every people usually talks about everything, right? Those are local people. So like this news is spreading that area. So at the same time, little birds, little child hear this, and that is the farmer is harvesting his land. So it's the time those family, it means that family has to leave that farm. So they felt very upset. So they were very discouraged at that situation. So and they observed that the farmer, it means the field where the birds are living, that farmer telling to another neighbor like this, he is going to harvest his field. So they want to tell that to his father and mother. So at night his birds, it means children's father and mother came. So these children told about this matter to his father. So after hearing the children's words, they didn't react. Then they're telling like this, yeah, okay, tomorrow also we are living there. Why? Because he told to his neighbor, right? Yeah. So we can live here, or nothing happen. We can live easily, nothing happen. So these guys, it means the children, got shocked. Why? Because that's not a small thing. That's not a small deal to leave this place. Why? Because they are living there from many days. So the D-Day, it means the next day, they are seeing for the neighbor farmer. But he didn't came there. The birds were surprised. Why? Because what his father told, that is happening. That's happening really. That's happening ritually. So at this time, the farmer telling to his relative to harvest his field. And this thing also heard by those small little children. So at night, those children telling to his father like this, father and mother, he is seeking help. He is giving contract to his relative. Definitely he will come tomorrow and harvest this field. So we have to leave this place at this night. So then the mother and father telling like this, no worry guys, tomorrow also we are living in this place. Nothing happen. Don't worry. Have a good sleep. Then again these children, sir, the farmer is following something. But my father is not believing that. But what the thing my father tells, that's happening. So they are waiting for his relatives' arrival. So they are watching the whole field for that relative farmer. So whole day is completed, but the relative farmer didn't attended there. Then again, what his father told, that happened. But at this time, at night, the farmer telling to his neighbor like this, yeah, I tried 2 times by giving contract to my relative and to my neighbor, but it failed. But this time, I will do the work. I will done it. I will complete my work at within time. So the little children heard this. So they are telling this matter to his mother and father. And they are, by hearing this, the father and mother telling like this, oh, yeah, right, we have to leave this place at this night. And they started to leave that place and they left to somewhere else. Here the story ends, guys. Here's the story ends. As I say every time, here the main theme starts. And that is, guys, here the farmer 2 times depended on other persons. But third time, he stood on his feet and he take his responsibilities on his soldier. So the boss believed him. It means there is nothing wrong of seeking help from others. But when you want to complete your work in time, for that you should take that responsibility in your soldiers. You should do that work. You should start the work by your own feet. So guys, never depend on others. If you have a strength, if you have a courage, if you have a guts, then do it. Never depend on others. Okay guys? Never depend on others. That's it guys. If you like this video, hit a like button. If you have any questions or suggestions, please mention those in our comment box. Keep smiling, keep sad.